and welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys. But today we're going to be talking about Influenster, and I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. I got an Influenster Voxbox and I actually got a lot of full-size stuff, and I just wanted to unbox it. And I've used every single product that I got, so I'm also going to be giving you guys kind of like tiny reviews of the products and my first impressions on them. So if you're interested in watching that, definitely keep on watching. But if you're not a part of the POREFessional family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, let's get into this Influenster Voxbox unboxing. Alright guys, so first of all, I got this Spark Voxbox, and this box had 5 full-size products, which was like super cool. And the cool thing about this one is that I actually got a coupon for butter, which is like kind of cool. I just wanted to let you guys know I got this for free. This video is not sponsored. I chose to do this video, but I am not sponsored. I did want to get that out of the way. The first thing I'm going to talk about is this coupon I got, and it is a butter coupon, and it is the Country Rock butter. It is the new one. It is the one made with sunflower oil, and apparently it's supposed to be fresh. I don't know, but this is the little thing that I got. You know, I'm gonna go redeem this soon, and that butter is supposed to be $3, but I have not tried that yet, so I'm not gonna stay here and tell you guys to run and buy it, because first of all, this is not a cooking channel, and second of all, I have not really tried it yet because I still have this here, so I'm definitely gonna go do that. I just wanted to get the butter out the way because everything else is beauty products. Okay, and the next thing I got is the Pure Silk Contour 6 razor system. That is a razor, and it is the razor that's supposed to come in this box. I will show you a clip of the actual razor. I just took it out of here already. I've used this razor 4 or 5 times already, and I actually really like it. I was so impressed by it. I didn't get one razor burn, and I didn't get any bumps, and it didn't cut me, not even once. And I also found that it took me way less time to shave with that razor than it usually does with the other razor I use. And I also like how the actual razor is very flexible. It has like 3 blades on top, a flexible band in the middle, and 3 blades on the bottom, and it kind of bends, so that is why it is so flexible and it doesn't cut you. And if you're looking for a great new razor and you have very sensitive skin and you don't want to get razor burns and you don't want to get cut, you should definitely try this one out because it is amazing. And this one is $9.99, and on this kit you're gonna get the razor, you're gonna get this case to put the razor in the shower, and you're also gonna get a replacement for the actual razor. Yeah, I highly recommend the Pure Silk razor. It is awesome. And let's move on to our next product because I don't want to ramble on too long. The next product I got is the Live Clean Coconut Milk Lotion. This is the one that has 17 ounces on it. I've already used this much, and I've had this for a week already. This is amazing. I love this so much. First of all, look at how cute this bottle is. It's like super chubby and it is so cute. This is also eco-friendly, and it is 98% plant ingredients, and it has coconut milk, and I love everything coconut. Like all my lotions, I like them to have coconut on them because I don't know, I love it. And I also love coconut oil, so the fact that this is a coconut body lotion, I just love. And this is so moisturizing. It is insane. One of the things that I love about this is that it is very good for sensitive skin, and it is also very deeply hydrating. I have very sensitive dry skin, especially on my legs, and this is so good. And after shaving, putting this cream on is very soothing, and it just makes your legs or your skin overall, even my arms, like everything, super smooth and soft and moisturized. And it also lasts, so I can put this overnight, and in the morning I'll still feel very soft and moisturized, which is great. And I have also showed this to my family, and they tried it and they love it as well. You know, after trying this, I am definitely not gonna go back to any other lotion because this is amazing. So the next product that I got is the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal Foam Conditioner, and this is $6.99. Now, this is the coolest thing ever. If you guys have used mousse for the hair to style your hair, this is pretty much the same thing, but a conditioner. You use this in the shower, so pretty much what you do, you put on your shampoo, you rinse off your shampoo, and then you get a palm size of this mousse, you put it on your hair, you let it soak into the hair, and then you take it out after a couple of minutes. And this is so good. This says that this is for fine, flat hair, and it is a light moisturizer for the hair, and it adds to your weight. So if you have very flat that straight hair, this might be good for you because it is not heavy at all. And I even noticed that on my hair. I have very thick hair, but it wasn't heavy at all. It felt super smooth, and I untangled my hair after putting this on, and it was like super fast and super nice, and my hair was super soft, and even styling my hair after getting out of the shower was way easier after I used this. And I feel like this is something new that I've never seen before, a foam conditioner, and it looks super cool. It is super cool to use. I was actually super excited to use it, and it also works, which is really nice. So if you see this at your local drugstore, you should definitely try it out, especially if your hair has less volume, because this will not weigh your hair down and it will not make it oily at all. So if you also have very oily hair, this will be good for you. And even if you have dry hair, I have very dry frizzy hair, and this was awesome to me too. So I feel like this will also work for a lot of varieties of people and a lot of hair types. So I highly recommend this. If you have not tried it, you definitely should. And as I said before, this is $6.99, so it is not crazy out there expensive. And yeah, I love this thing. I feel like this Voxbox was definitely amazing. I feel like every single product I got in this Voxbox I have loved. So I'm gonna be talking about my last product, and these are the Whispers Unnaturally Natural Fragrance-Free Makeup Removal Wipes, and this has 25 wipes, and these are made out of cotton. This is what this package looks like. I have been using these Whispers for around a week now, ever since I got the box, and ever since I started using these, I have not gone back to my Neutrogena ones. And now, it is not because I don't like the Neutrogena ones. I love my Neutrogena makeup wipes, but I feel like with this ones, with one wipe, you can remove every single piece of makeup from your face. Your lipstick, your liner, your mascara, your foundation, your brows, everything. And when I use my Neutrogena ones, I have to use one for the eyes and brows and one for the face and lipstick, which is amazing because I feel like you'll be using less wipes in the long run, which will also save you money. Overall, I love these wipes, and if you have not tried them, you definitely should, especially if you have very sensitive eyes and sensitive skin. These will not irritate your eyes. They don't make my eyes water. It doesn't sting my eyes. It doesn't sting my skin. It just feels super soft after I'm done using them. And of course, after I use the wipes, I always wash my face to deep clean my face. My face usually feels very, very soft after I use these makeup remover wipes, and I love them. You should definitely try them. And if you've been on the lookout for very good makeup wipes that are not the Neutrogena ones, you should definitely try these ones. And these are made in the USA as well, and they are alcohol-free, oil-free, and as I said before, they're 100% cotton. Yeah, that is it for this video. That was all the products that I got on my Smashbox box, and I'm just gonna show you guys this little card that I got so that you can see more details about these products. So in here you will see the names of the product, the price, and some descriptions of them if you're just interested in trying any of them. But I love each and every single one of them. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this kind of short unboxing videos. Let me know if you like unboxing videos. I like unboxing things and talking to you guys about them with a little bit of a review behind them. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you so much for 400 subscribers. I know I told you in my last video, but I don't know. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, your support means so much to me. So thank you so much for that. Subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.